Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can download Netflix in your smart TV LG Webos. Okay, now the first is you need find your content store app. Okay, or in LG is LG content store. Example in my smart TV is this. Okay, is pink, yes, pink, and LG content store. With this you can download Netflix and update your Netflix. Now you open and download. Example, if you cannot download Netflix, what do you do? Okay, other option. Okay, here you find Netflix and download. Okay, but if you don't find or don't have Netflix here, you can use this. This is a Roku TV. You can buy this for second use or new, doesn't matter. It's cheaper, it's very cheaper. You can buy this and connect in back in your TV and download Netflix. But this is the first option and the best. Okay, the official app in your official app store, smart TV LG. And this is all for this video. If I like or I help you, I hope that yes, you can get me a like. I don't know, sorry, my English is awful, but this is funny, and I like try speak English and get more experience. Have a good day, see you later.